Welcome back to New Wave Therapy. Bob Burdekin here with my wife Bertha, and today we're going to do the fourth in a series of 4 videos, and it's been on the lights that we use on a regular basis within New Wave Therapy, and today we're going to cover the infrared light and its uses and the benefits, and basically people have got some questions that we want to answer. So let's get started with the very first question.
Is the infrared light therapy the same as red light therapy?
Well, infrared therapy works similar to our standard red light therapy device. The only difference is that the beam of light penetrates deeper to work on deeper tissues, such as muscles, tendons, and ligaments. Next question.
What makes the infrared light therapy different from red light therapy?
Well, infrared light itself is invisible, and it's effective for use on the surface of the skin, as well as it penetrates through the skin about 1.5 inches into the body. And just to give you a comparison, our red light therapy device penetrates a maximum just under 1 inch in depth as far as into the body. And infrared therapy operates on a longer wavelength than standard red light therapy, and the longer the wavelength, the deeper the penetration to be able to deliver energy deeper into the body cells, stimulating deeper healing and deeper pain relief. Now, also, sports medicine professionals are using infrared therapy to help athletes perform better and speed through a healing and recovery cycle.
Do I need to wear eye protection when using infrared therapy?
Infrared therapy is a little different than standard red light therapy, and safety eyewear should be worn by both the practitioner and the client when using infrared therapy. And the main reason is that the infrared light itself can damage direct contact with the eye, and also the light beam itself is difficult to see. We highly recommend infrared eye protection glasses to guard the eyes from the increased exposure and potential damage of near infrared light therapy. They need to be safe to protect you up to 1,000 nanometers of light source. Next question.
What are the benefits of infrared light therapy?
Well, infrared light therapy has benefits that really show its popularity. First, infrared therapy can improve the circulation and loosen muscles before activity, and it can also loosen up tendons and muscles to aid in the prevention of injury, in some cases speeding recovery. It also produces nitric oxide that expands the blood vessels, increasing blood flow and decreasing plaque growth and blood clotting. It also, like I said, speeds healing of injuries. It helps to build collagen, which reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, which will also affect the health of your hair and your nails. It increases blood flow, and increased blood flow increases the amount of oxygen being sent to your extremities, most notably your heart and your arteries. This means a healthier circulatory system and much more energy. Most notably, your heart and arteries will be much more active and actually operate at a much cleaner cycling. This means a healthy circulatory system and more energy. Any more questions?
How long does it take to see results using infrared light?
Well, there's different factors that determine how long it takes for you to notice relief of the condition that you're using infrared therapy for. Some people see relief almost right away. Others take longer. What controls it is the extent of your pain and the condition of your health. And it's been my experience that it can take from anywhere from 1 to 3 sessions to start to see the results that you're looking for. And also, it does as well improve the range of motion, and this therapy can help lead to an increased range of motion through its ability to rebuild cartilage, and is a common treatment for those struggling with arthritis. According to Dr. Axe, decreasing oxidative damage, which degenerates joints, and modulating inflammation are other ways that low-level light technology benefits soft connective tissue. Well, that's how we're going to cover as far as our infrared light. Before we go, there's one more point that we feel we need to cover, and it's how all light therapies work. And they work on a 3-day cycle, and those 3 cycles are, being the first is the reaction phase. This phase occurs on the day that the session is completed and allows us to access the client's natural healing powers by working with the anatomic nervous system, which allows it to drop towards repair and renewal. So that's the first cycle. Now the second cycle is called the regeneration phase. On day 2, the benefits of day 1 start to occur through the repair of nerve connections to any of the affected areas. At this time, any type of physical therapy, meaning any type of movement, is highly beneficial. In fact, some of the possible benefits are acceleration of any repairs necessary or strengthening of possible damaged tissue, help in overall recovery, no matter how bad the damage to tissue may be. It decreases the pain. There's an increased delivery of oxygen and nutrients to the injured area, and there's an increased range of motion. And this all happens through the second cycle. Lastly is the remodeling phase. On day 3, you will start to observe the start of the restoration of healthy function to the injured areas. This phase greatly is enhanced through the use of physical therapy, again movement, and some of the benefits are restoration of full elasticity and flexibility to muscles and to joints, improved blood circulation and oxygenation to the entire body. It minimizes the development of chronic pain, and again maintains a range of motion. This is the completion of the third cycle, and that completes the protocol cycle. What we'd like to add at this time is that we're sure that we haven't covered all of the questions that people may have had about light therapy and what it can do for them. So we're asking you to submit additional questions on topics that we haven't covered in these 4 videos so that we can help you understand the benefits of all types of light therapy. Use the link that's appearing at the bottom of the page, or in this case the bottom of the video, and send us an email through our website, and we will answer them as soon as we're able. Once again, thanks for watching New Wave Therapy. This is Bob Burdekin and my wife Bertha saying thanks for watching.